45. This article number 45 was not there in the original constitution. This article number 45, please read. Substituted by 86th Amendment Act 2002. Article number 45. What does it say? Provision for early childhood care. Provision for early childhood care. Provision for early childhood care. Early childhood care and education to children. Care भी रहना, education भी रहना. किसको? Children को. To children below 6 years. So please remember DPSP में
6 to 40.
DPSP में below the age of 6 years. फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज और फंडामेंटल राइट्स में 6 to 14 ईयर्स मेंशन है. ये कंफ्यूजन होगा आपको. आर्टिकल नंबर 21 कैपिटल ए में 6 to 14 ईयर्स मेंशन है. फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज 51 कैपिटल ए सब क्लॉज के में एज ग्रुप क्या दिया हुआ है? 6 to 14 ईयर्स. याद रखिए. सो क्या दिया हुआ है? प्रोविजन फॉर early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. The state shall endeavor to provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years. Until completion बता रहा है इधर. एक चीज रहती है अटेन, एक क्या रहता है अटेन, माने 5 साल खत्म हो गए, 6 में एंटर करें तो उसको बोलते हैं अटेन करना. और एक चीज क्या है? कंप्लीट करना. कंप्लीट एज ऑफ 6 इयर्स माने ऑलमोस्ट सेकेंड क्लास तक, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड क्लास तक. ठीक है. सो जस्ट रीड प्रोविजन फॉर अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन टू चिल्ड्रन बिलो द एज ऑफ 6 इयर्स. सो विल जस्ट रिवाइज इट. कहाँ तक पढ़े अभी तक? आर्टिकल नंबर 45 विल गो इन रिवर्स. Article number 45, provision for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. Article number 44, uniform civil code for the citizens. Article number 43, capital B, promotion of cooperative societies. Article number 43, capital A, participation of workers in management of industries. 43, living wage, cottage industries, cooperatives in rural areas. 42, provision of just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief. 41, right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases. Article number 40, organization of village panchayats. Article number 39 capital A, equal justice and free legal aid. Article number 39 capital A was added by 42nd amendment 1976. Article number 39, certain principles of policy to be followed by the state. A, B, C, D, E, F. Then you have article number 38, state to secure social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. This article declares India as a welfare state. Article number 37, application of the principles contained in this part. This part means part 4 DPSP. And article number 36, what is 36? Same as article number 12, definition of state. What is definition of state? The government, legislature, the government, legislative assemblies and local government and authorities. Authorities 3 तरीके के रहते हैं. Constitutional authorities, statutory authorities, extra constitutional authorities. Constitutional authorities, example, Attorney General, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Supreme Court, Election Commission, Article number 324, Finance Commission, Article number 280, and the list goes on. And you have National Commission for SCs, National Commission for STs, and National Commission for OBCs. Article number 338 capital A, 338 capital B. Then you come to the Statutory Commission. What are Statutory Commission? The commission which come into existence by the action of legislature.
Legislature.
Example, National Human Rights Commission, Parliament, States Human Rights Commission, universities as well as the
Joint PS.
assemblies. और क्या है? Joint Public Service Commission comes under statutory bodies, and universities such as MANU and UGC has come into existence by authority of law, that is legislature. Extra constitutional bodies क्या है?
Law commissions.
They neither come under constitutional nor statutory. Common example of
Media.
extra constitutional bodies, Niti Aayog, Prime Minister Office, and today we have seen
Law Commission.
Law Commission, right? And I gave the homework to determine to fill that list. कौन करे? और कौन है?
मैं करा
और कौन? और एग्जाम्पल दिए उसमें?
नेशनल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल है सर.
NDC, प्लानिंग कमीशन और नेशनल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल एक साथ काम करती थी. वो निकाल दे के क्या करे? नीति आयोग आ गया. नेक्स्ट,
नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन.
दैट इज स्टैट्यूटरी हो गया ना. नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन.
एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बोलो.
नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन एक्ट से बना ये. ह्यूमन राइट्स एक्ट आया 1990s में.
सेंट्रल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ कमीशन.
CIC वो भी RTI से आया.
वो भी नहीं होता सर.
इसमें आप स्टैट्यूटरी क्या इसमें लिखे मेरे ख्याल से. ये बच्चे के लिए समझ आ गया. सो दीज आर द अथॉरिटी. सो बाय टुडे वी कंप्लीट आर्टिकल नंबर 45, and by the next Monday we'll again start article number 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 and 51. So the छोटे छोटे है will complete in one day itself. ठीक है. So let us conclude the class today.